To create an alignment, you can use an existing line string like we have here. We have this line, it's a polyline, it's on Plan Road Centerline, and it happens to be where we're going to start drawing, or what we want to do is create this alignment. So to do that, we're going to go to the Corridors tab, and on the Corridors tab, we're going to start with the Create Alignment command. The Create Alignment command will first prompt you for a name, so we're going to type in Cobalt, because that's the name of the road that we're creating, so we're going to call it Cobalt Ave. We can set it on a layer, so if we want to, we can set the same layer that the object's on. So I'm just going to click on that line, and it's going to create an object called C-Plan Road Centerline. Now we can choose to define it using different geometry definitions. We can inscribe curves at PIs, we can define individual segments, or we can use an existing line string. So if I click this command here, you'll see that that line string is already selected. It's an existing CAD polyline, and I'm going to click OK. And now you will see that I have a horizontal alignment that has all my curve and arc and line geometry. So you'll see that we've got an arc, a line, a couple other arcs, so it's created all the geometry. The stationing, it starts with 0 at the beginning of the alignment. If we wanted to change this to maybe start at 10 or 1000, we can do that. So 10 plus zeros, and we just tab, and you'll see as we tab the northing and easting, it will recalculate the rest of the stationing along that alignment. We can also create a second alignment or another alignment by using this Create Alignment command here, and that will bring us back to the Create Alignment command.